The forward emergency braking (FEB) with pedestrian detection can help the driver when there is a risk of a forward collision with the vehicle ahead in the traveling lane or with a pedestrian. The FEB with pedestrian detection system uses a radar sensor located on the front of the vehicle to measure the distance to the vehicle ahead in the same lane and operates at speeds above approximately 5 km per hour. The system uses a camera installed behind the windshield to help detect pedestrians. If a risk of a forward collision is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by flashing this indicator along with an audible alert. If a risk of a forward collision with a pedestrian is detected, the system warns the driver by flashing this indicator along with an audible alert. If the driver does not take action, the system uses the second visual and audible warnings and also applies partial braking. If the risk of a collision with the vehicle ahead becomes imminent, the system applies harder braking automatically. Perform the following steps to turn the system on or off. Press the menu button on the control panel. Touch the driver assistance key. Now touch the emergency assist key. Then touch the forward emergency braking key to toggle the system on or off. The PFCW system, if so equipped, is integrated into the forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection system. There is not a separate selection in the touchscreen display for the PFCW system. When the FEB with pedestrian detection is turned off, the PFCW system also turns off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.